Hello everyone, this is Johnny and I'll give you a presentation on how big data clustering can help businesses. Basically, the focus is on optimization problems, like market segmentation for instance. To be more visual, let's have a look at those flags. Imagine that you have a textile industry and you want to produce as many flags as possible. Looking at the colors and shapes, a good clustering algorithm should be able to identify that these three flags share the same pattern, and you can have one machine to produce the Italian, the Irish, and the Mexican flag. In the same way, other flags share other different characteristics like the crosses in those ones. The algorithm should separate those groups from the groups who have other characteristics like Japan and South Korea. The same concept applies to the others. And here you can even find out that two countries have the same flag, or same colors, different shapes. Very important is to identify outliers who are specific elements who don't share any characteristics. Have a look at this flag. Do you know this one? This belongs to Nepal, and it is very different, like the Brazilian one, which has order and progress at the center. So this is a good example of how the strategy should work. And here, using the same dataset, you will notice there are different results in accuracies according to each algorithm, and this is very important. Let's have a look at one wrong classification. Do you see patterns on this, or on this, or on this? Okay, now practical questions. Would you put money on this? Probably not, and that is the challenge. One real case scenario that we already applied is to identify the patterns or the characteristics of patients who do not show up at their appointments. So looking at this, you can cluster all of those patients and you see the main target groups who are more than 50%, for example, and they should have one specific policy, and then you can reduce operating costs. Other sectors can use, of course, but there are some requirements. They have to be innovative and they have to have one optimization problem. In our blog we have more examples. And the conclusion is that humans have a tremendous visual power for clustering images like flags. But then computers go to the numbers. Accuracy is very important and several businesses can use it. I hope this was useful, and if you have any questions, get in touch with us, and thanks for your time.